Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Alamo Car Rental. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a business trip, or just need a temporary ride, Alamo has built a reputation for being one of the most customer-friendly and convenient options out there. Let's go over this platform together and see whether it's worth your money. Alamo Car Rental is one of the largest and most trusted car rental brands in North America, and it's been around since 1974. It's part of the Enterprise Holding family, which also owns Enterprise Rent-A-Car and National Car Rental, three of the biggest players in the industry. What sets Alamo apart though is its focus on vacation and leisure travelers. The company has positioned itself as the go-to choice for people looking for a simple, fast and affordable rental experience, especially at airports and major tourist destinations. When you visit their website, one of the first things you'll notice is how clean and easy it is to navigate. You can quickly search for rental options by location, by date, by car type, or check out the featured car rental deals. And Alamo shows real-time availability, which makes the booking process super transparent. Alamo is especially known for its drive happy philosophy, which basically means that they try to make your rental experience smooth from start to finish, from booking online to skipping the counter to easily returning your vehicle. Their focus is clearly on efficiency and customer convenience, which is why they've become a favorite among both domestic travelers and international tourists visiting the US. Now, let us talk about the main features of Alamo Car Rental. Wide range of vehicles. Alamo supports and offers a huge fleet of cars, everything from compact cars and sedans to SUVs to trucks and luxury vehicles. You can also find specialty cars like minivans for family trips or convertibles for a fun getaway. Their fleet is regularly updated, which means you'd also usually get modern cars with good fuel efficiency and built-in tech like Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Self-service kiosk and skip-the-counter option. This is one of Alamo's best features. You can check in online before arriving and head straight to your car at participating locations. And this skip-the-counter option saves a ton of time, especially at busy airports. Flexible drop-offs and pick-up locations. Alamo lets you pick your car in one location and drop it off in another, which is perfect for road trips or multi-city travel. They have thousands of locations worldwide, which makes one-way rentals easy. Digital management tools. You can manage your entire reservation online or through their mobile site. This includes modifying bookings, extending rentals, and viewing digital receipts, all without having to call customer service. Alamo Insiders Program. Join Alamo Insiders because it's completely free, and they give you a guaranteed 5% discount on base rates, along with occasional member-only offers. It's simple but effective for regular travelers. Optional protections and add-ons. Alamo offers a variety of coverage options like collision damage waiver, personal accident insurance, and roadside assistance plus. International accessibility. For international travelers, Alamo's multilingual website and global presence makes it easy to rent across countries. They also allow debit card payments in many locations, which can be helpful for travelers without a card. Now, let us talk about the pricing. When it comes to pricing, Alamo sits comfortably in the mid-range category. The pricing depends on several factors like the location, the car type, the rental duration, and the time of booking. But on average, it is believed that you can expect around $35 to $50 per day if you are renting compact or economy cars. You can expect around $55 to $80 per day if you're renting SUVs or sedans. And if you're renting luxury vehicles, expect anywhere near $90 to $150 per day. Now, what are the pros and cons of using the Alamo Car Rental platform? First, the pros. They have a user-friendly website and a mobile booking process. Transparent pricing with only few surprises. They have a reliable fleet with modern vehicles. And the skip-the-counter options save time. They also have a strong global presence in airports and tourist destinations. And you get good value for your money with the Alamo Insiders program. How about the cons? Prices can be higher than local rental agencies, and there's limited luxury vehicle options compared to the high-end competitors. There are optional add-ons that you might need to look into, like insurance and GPS, which can increase costs. So having considered all this, is Alamo Car Rental worth it in 2025? In my opinion, I'd say yes, especially if you're looking for a stress-free and a reliable car rental experience. Alamo hits the sweet spot between affordability and convenience because it's not the cheapest on the market, but it delivers consistent value. You get well-maintained cars, smooth booking tools, and a globally recognized brand that genuinely focuses on customer satisfaction. Also, they have a streamlined rental process. The skip the counter feature save time, and you can download the app on Play Store or App Store to also use it on mobile. However, if you're chasing ultra low prices or you prefer luxury vehicles, then you might want to explore other brands. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Enterprise Rent-A-Car, Budget Car Rental, and Hertz. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.